Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a supported game is required to use this feature, NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go ahead and open NVIDIA app on your PC. Once it opens, click on Settings at the left side. From here, make sure that NVIDIA Overlay is turned on and also make sure that Game Filters and Photo Mode is also turned on. Both of these options need to be on for everything to work properly. Next, head back over to Search and type in Services, then click on it. Once you're inside Services, click on any service and press N on your keyboard to quickly scroll down. Look for NVIDIA Display Container and NVIDIA Local System Container. Make sure both of these services are running. Double-click on each one, set the startup type to automatic, and then click Start if it's not already running. If the service is already running, right-click on it and select Restart. Do this for both services. After that, head back to NVIDIA app again and go to the Drivers tab at the top. Here, make sure you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver installed. Click on Refresh button, and if an update is available, download and install it. Once you've completed all 3 steps, restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix a supported game is required to use this feature NVIDIA GeForce Experience. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.